So for started work, I already installed free WordPress version in my local host and already installed Elementor free version, so we can easily start our work. So before start work, we fully use Elementor developer documentation, so we can easily understand how it works or features or everything. So go to new tab and just search here Elementor developer. Just search this keyword and hit. So this is our Elementor developer official site. So click here and go to getting started, and then here from components you can just click here widgets part, and then here is all options step by step. So we can very show in summary so you can easily understand. At the bottom you can say here examples and click here simple example. Okay, fine. So first here folder structure. So we go to our folder part. So go to Elementor. This is my first version here. If you check here, localhost Elementor. So this is our mother folder. Go to content, then plugins, and here I create a new folder like Elementor team widget. You can name as you wish, no problem. So just write here Elementor team widget. Go to my VS Code and open this folder in my VS Code. So go to Elementor, content, plugins, Elementor team widgets. Okay, fine. Then if you check our example, we need a folder widgets and a file. So we can rename as a wish. So click here, just here like index.php. And inside index.php, we need to first put this full code. So we put this code step by step. So first I copy this part here, and here first step start PHP block and paste. So first we need to put plugin name. So we can just name here Elementor team widget. So here description, you can use your plugin description here. Then plugin URI. So I can just put my domain just nahian.com. Version 1.0. Okay, author name, I put my name like Abdullah Nahian, and then author URI. So I can just put this here, and here we can just write here team widget for now. Okay, and test domain. So for now we can just write here team widget. Okay, that's fine. So let's save. So go to my dashboard and click here plugins part. So here element team widget is visible here, and this is my description part. This is version, author name, and plugin URI. So just click on activate version. So our plugin will be activated here. Okay, that's fine. So go to now pages to add new, and just write here team widget. Okay, just click on publish and edit with Elementor. Okay, this will open. Go to our again this part. Then again we need this code. So just copy this code here. This is basically secure part. So exit if access directly. So this is our security purpose. Then we can register this part. So we can copy whole part and paste here. So just write here register like team widget. Okay, and here Elementor manager. Okay, that's fine. Register, we can rename this function team widget, and same this function we need to adjust register here. Okay, and we need a require once directory file. So we can create a new folder like widgets. Inside widgets we can create a new file like team widget.php. Okay, fine. So we can just put this name like team widget.php. That's fine. And here we can register widget. We can rename this to team widget. So this file is perfectly done. Now we move to our second file. So at the bottom we can check here embed widget, which is our team widget. So again we need to first secure purpose we put this code. So go to a team widget, first PHP block start here, paste this code, Then Elementor embed widget, so we can add a class which extend Elementor widget base. So just paste here and curly brace. So this class name will be our this class name. So this we can copy this class name and place here. Okay, that's fine. Now first we need get name, so copy this part. So if we just, for example, if we just heading purpose here, just drag and drop here and we show here this name, etc., or content style, everything we can need to adjust. So here just copy this part, so we can just add a comment like team widget, sorry, team name. So we can now name this teams. Okay, fine. Then widget title, so copy this part, widget title. So our widget title will be teams or team. Okay, and if you check our text domain, so our text domain was team widget. Okay, fine. So we can just replace this part to team widget. Then we can net widget icon. This means this icon. Okay, so just paste here. We can just write widget icon. So if you need different icon, so go to just search here e icons, and this link e icons font demo. Here are a lot of, so you can just put this name. So if you search here like user, icon, user icon, so we can user search more. If any else, we can like this one, just copy this code and paste here. That's fine. Then we need our URL. If you need any custom URL, you can just put here. So just click here, widget help URL, just paste here. For now you can replace this link with your link. Then finally our widget category, that's mean we just have few categories like basic, like pro, like general, like site, WooCommerce, WordPress. Those are various categories. So if you put categories, so for now we can just put here general categories. So our widget will be add in general categories. So just here after this, just search here widget categories. For now it will go to general. That's fine. And here finally we need to our keywords. Keywords means if you search here like heading, so we can find this heading part. Okay, so for this we can copy this part, widget we can say here. Okay, paste this. So just widget keywords. So just like here team, or we can add member. That's fine. Our record, that's fine. Go to our backend, again refresh the page. If check here anything happen here, I can remove this part. So just search here team, so our display is visible. And if you just go to general part, hide basic pro, so it will be under the general part. Yes, this is general part. So I can just adjust just here one column. So just here one column, or duplicate, or just search here page layout, Elementor canvas, no header, no footer. So I just 4 part duplicate 4 times, or 4 times, yes. So just search here team and just drag and drop here. So nothing show here, just advanced part. So we need to content and style part. So first update here. Now our next second part, so you need to register our controls part. So just click here this part, so we can just widget controls, then curly brace. So we need first add to this part content section here. So we can just write here content section. Okay, content. Our test domain was team widget. So replace this part. Okay, and this is okay, same. And we need to close this part by add this code. Okay, so inside this part we can add as more control as you wish. So first we need our media part. So for media we can just search here media, that means image control, media control. At the top we'll find a code here, so we can copy this part. Yes, so here just write comment like team image. Okay, just paste this code. So this means ID part, it is very important. So just write here team image for unique part. Then label choose image. So our test domain was team widget. So just write here type this part media default. This is default part. Okay, and go to here. If you refresh the page, okay, our 4 columns again, and search for team widget. Just search here team and paste here. Okay, this is our visible here. Okay, fine. Then we need team member name and designation. So go to our simple part. So we need another controls. We can copy this part. After this we can just write here team name, just paste here. So you can just change ID like team name, and here change text to like team name. Type text. Okay, we don't need any input type text here. Placeholder, we can just write here team name. Okay, fine. And placeholder, that's fine. If we again refresh the page, it's update. Okay, that is show here, that's fine. It is not save here. Elementor canvas again. Okay, so name, and need another part which is designation. So you can copy this part, team designation. Like we can short form like DSG designation, that's fine. Team designation. Designation, we can add text area for bigger text area. Okay, team designation. Okay, fine. Update and click the refresh the page. Click here, that's fine. Team name, team designation. So if you need a separator here, so you can just search here like separator, separator, label and description separator. Okay, fine. So this is called, if you check here, top show label false, label block true. Yes, first we need to add for our team here, label block. And if we add our separator, yes, now this one. So we need separator team name. So here before separator and here before. Sorry, it will be before. That means previous. Again refresh the page. Just click here, that's fine. We have a add separator. This is fully blocked, so this is part done. Now we need to put this. If you click here, already I add few images. So click here this image like name John Doe, and here web developer. So now this information need to show here. So for this, if you again back to this part, now this is part called render part. So you can just copy this part product function render. So this here we can just render data, and here, sorry, this is the function render function. Okay, and then here we can copy this line settings, this display. So that means this variable contain all the full data. Then we can add a variable like team image, then settings, inside settings team image and image URL. Okay, another one like team name, again settings, inside settings like team name. Our copy, okay, team like designation DSG. So this come from actually this part, this ID team image, team name. So copy this team name and paste here. Okay, and team designation and team designation. Okay, so for data we can close PHP block and again start PHP block. So we can add a div like teams. For design part we can add img, then h4, then p. So inside img source we can just code here php echo team image. That's fine. Copy this line, again paste here and again paste here. So here we can copy team name and team designation. That's fine. Go to here, update this part, refresh. Boom, our data is shown here. It's very easy and nicely. If you want here another one, so just here team widget, so drag and drop here, choose image. You can upload image from here or use media library. Close this one. Okay, like here, like David Wick, like he is CEO. That's fine. And now our final part, if we need to style this part, so here we go to advanced example. So already we do this. If we here widget here, we can copy from here title, icon, separator, repeater, items, control section, tab content. Yes, we can copy this part for this is basically style part. So where this, after this and control section we can add like style section. Just paste here style section. That's fine. Just style, and here just in style, and of course we need to end this part. So add this part here. So this part will be end here. So what do we need? We need like this title color and typography and this designation color typography. So if you check here, already we have this example. So like copy this part inside this. So just first you need title color, paste here. Okay, so we can just rename this title color. Okay, Elementor list widget. So we have team designation. Our text domain was we can team widget. That's fine. So we can replace this part first. So Control F, find and replace. Okay, then Elementor list widget, we can find this part and replace. That's nice. Title color. Okay, this part is very important. This means our CSS property part, and this is our value part. So if you check here, teams h4. So you got here, right here, our teams h4. Okay, fine. So go to our this part, again refresh the page. Just click here. Here style part is visible here, and here color. So if you want default color, so for here we can, after this we can just write here default. So just color name like #333. That's fine. Again refresh the page. Click here, style. So our this part, click here. If you change color, nice, this color is change here. If you another color, this color is change here. Now we need typography part. So after this, if you check here typography, here typography part, get type selector. Yes, we need actually this part. This is called group control. Okay, yes. So after this, so this is we call title typography. Okay, that's nice. Group control. We can just write here title typography. That means our ID. Wrapper. So we can use this one. So just paste here. Wrapper. Yes, that's nice. So again go to here and update and refresh the page. Click here, go to style, and here typography add here. So if you are like font size, that's nice. Our font size increase, font weight like 900. Okay, text transform lowercase, that's fine. Line height if you increase decrease, that's very fine. Now we can duplicate this part fully again. Now same need for our designation color typography. So just write here designation color. We can just write here designation color. Okay, color, that's fine. And here designation color, designation typography. So it will be our teams P, and here team P. Okay, that's nice. And here we can add the separator. So just write here separator B4. Okay, click on update. Click here style part. Yes. So if you check here for now, if you check our font family, like here this one, okay, that's changed nicely. Color change, yes, that's fine. If you check globally like alignment center, so here we can search for align or text control, text here, text shadow. Okay, we can just search here. We need text alignment. If you check here, there's a various part, text control, string alignment, okay, number, wish editor, hidden switcher, select control. Yes, this means select. If you size here, select, sorry, not select, this choose control. Yes, this one. Okay, that's fine. So we can fully copy this add control. Okay, so basically after this we can common part just like here alignment. Okay, so this means like team align, full box alignment, team align, alignment. Okay, text domain will be, we can choose here, we can replace here team widget, that's fine. That's mean left text team widget, left, center, right. Default will be our left alignment, and your class, that's mean teams. Okay, that's nice. Go to here team widget and refresh the page. Click here at the bottom, go to style part and check here alignment. We can center, right. Oh, that's fine. And we can add a separator part. So we can this one copy this part and here just add here. Just update and refresh. Okay, that's fine. If you go to style part and alignment center, right, left. That's fine. Okay, so this is so far. Hopefully you enjoy it and like it, and you can easily apply this for one. So thank you very much for watching. Next time I will be try to make a more complex and attractive design. So till now, stay well and please subscribe and share to others. Thank you very much.